Hi friends, I'm Chirpy. Today's story is about food, fear, and family forgiveness. Let's dive into Genesis chapter 43. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bible adventures. Back in Canaan, the food Joseph's brothers brought from Egypt was all gone. Their father Jacob looked worried. The family needed more food. But going back to Egypt wasn't going to be easy. Jacob didn't want to send Benjamin, but Judah bravely stepped forward and said, "I promise to keep him safe, Father. You can trust me." Jacob finally agreed, so the brothers packed gifts and silver, and this time, they took Benjamin too. Off they went, back to Egypt. When the brothers arrived, Joseph saw Benjamin and his heart was full. He quickly told his servant, "Prepare a feast. These men will eat with me today." The brothers were amazed. They were seated in order from oldest to youngest. And Benjamin? He got 5 times more food than everyone else. The brothers were nervous at first, but Joseph was kind. He gave them food, water, and even cared for their donkeys. Their hearts began to feel at peace. When Joseph saw his brother Benjamin, his heart overflowed. He rushed out of the room and wept in secret. Then he washed his face and returned with a smile. Joseph came back with a smile, and everyone sat down to eat. The brothers didn't know who he was, but they felt safe, full, and thankful. What a beautiful meal filled with love and laughter. Joseph showed kindness even when he was hurt. God's love helps us forgive too. See you next time, friends. Chirpy says, "Wow, what an adventure! Joseph forgave his brothers and shared a feast of love. Isn't God's kindness amazing? Yes! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a single story from the Bible.